Hey guys, it's your girl Elia, and we are back with those money-making cover calls. Let's get to it.
Okay, friends, so getting right into this strategy, I personally purchased 100 shares of Starwood Property Trust Incorporated with the ticker symbol of STWD at $26.58 and sold the $28 August 21st cover call at 22 cents. I should pick up one August dividend payment for 48 cents. This trade cost me $2,800. If STWD shares get called away at $28, I would profit not only $142, but the covered call premium of $164 plus the dividend of $212, which leaves me a total profit of $376, which works out to a 7.98% return in less than 1 month. Again, like Coach always says, let's stop losing money and work together to earn 25 to 50% annually in the stock market.
The new math program.
Okay, so here we are with this new math program. We are currently at $5,902.92, which is up from our previous video of $5,588. So we are definitely making progress. For those that are not familiar with the new math program, stay tuned to the end of this video and it will be the new math video connected, as we love for you guys to jump on this program and get started with us.
Here's Coach's stock pick. STWD.
And a little bit about Starwood Property Trust. It's a leading diversified finance company with its core focus on real estate and infrastructure sectors. They are an affiliate of Starwood Capital Group and has successfully deployed over $69 billion of capital since their inception and manages a portfolio of over $18 billion across debt and equity investments. Starwood has hopes of generating attractive, stable returns for its shareholders, and they're trying to make that happen through its dividends. They claim this information will be released through a conference call discussing the performance on the recent events and conduct questions and answers. Starwood is currently a strong buy and is trading at $26.26.
Cash is Trash's testimonials.
We have an anonymous friend that is simply asking for help. He mentioned he's a single, hardworking father and wants to learn so he can start teaching his kids. He said, "Where do I start?" Well, honestly, from the looks of it, you've already started. Just wanting to invest is a start. You may follow that by just going on to YouTube and subscribing to our channel. Just don't forget to turn on the notification bell and also like and share if possible. Leave comments. We'd love to hear from you. We also have our Facebook page, which is a private group where we share information, ask questions, answer questions, anything you need, and you can also hear from the coach himself.
Another thing you may want to do is start looking into solid companies once you start investing. Companies such as Apple, McDonald's, Microsoft, Pepsi, etc. You also have different incentives such as Robinhood's DRIP plan, and it's the Dividend Reinvestment Plan. It's a program that allows investors to use the cash dividend they receive from a company to buy additional shares in that particular company. Keep in mind, and also that's mentioned in this video, is STWD, which is also a dividend stock. We also have our new math program from Cash is Trash. Join in on that program. Do not forget to deposit funds into your account once a month. Now, not everyone has $500 to deposit into their account, but deposit what you have and focus on consistency. One thing I've noticed is investors stop depositing money and they also stop building their portfolio. Shortly after that, their income starts to decrease and they're ready to back out of the stock market. And sadly, some also get discouraged. Just whatever you do, don't give up. Keep investing and building wealth for your family. All right, as we all know, there is an array of free investment platforms out there, and one of the most popular platforms is Webull. If you'd like to get started today, click on the link in the description section below, fund your account with $100, and we'll get you signed up. Hey, it's your girl Elia, Aimee. Always remember that uninvested cash is trash. Hopefully you received enough information from today's video, and we'll see you in the next. Stay tuned.